The fridge is almost empty. This is not good. Michael, we have no food.
Oh, maybe just a little bit? What? Where's the food?
This list is very long. We need many things. No cereal again? This is so sad. I will write everything. No mistakes this time. Milk, cheese, chicken. This is serious.
Yes, boss. I am ready for the mission.
This is not a joke. I will help. I will watch Dad. Good idea. Go now. Only what is on the list.
Yes, only the list. Wow, big store, big adventure.
Remember the budget.
So many cars. Why today?
Slow down, Dad. Look! That lady is leaving.
Good eyes, Emma. Come on, please move.
Stay ready, Dad. Dad, this parking is not straight.
It is creative parking.
I will not tell Mom, maybe.
Please don't. I am a professional shopper.
List first, fun later.
Yes, Captain. Hello! I forgot my card. Again.
No problem. What's the name on the account?
It's Michael.
Got it.
Where is it? Not here, not here.
Dad, really?
This place is huge.
Stay focused. First, dairy section.
Yes, leader. Shredded cheese is easy.
No. Block cheese is cheaper. This one costs less money.
Goodbye, shredded cheese. This brand looks fancy.
This one is cheaper. Same nuts.
But the picture is nice. Milk time.
Yes. 1% milk.
Chocolate milk looks better.
No chocolate.
This is a hard choice.
Done. Healthy milk.
What is that announcement?
I hear sale.
Toilet paper sale! Let's go!
Dad, slow down!
Just keep up, Emma. Almost there.
This cart is heavy.
I see one pack up there.
Can you reach it?
Almost got it.
Yes!
Dad, that is too high.
I can reach it. I will use this umbrella.
Be careful, Dad.
You are too high.
I am fine. Almost.
Please don't fall.
Yes! I got it.
Good job, Dad.
Hey, Michael. Nice toilet paper. Last one. But look at this steak. Very good deal. Really? 70% off?
Dad, no.
Best deal today.
I don't trust him.
Okay. Deal.
Dad, why?
It is cheap, maybe.
Look, so many steaks.
Oh no. I made a mistake.
Yes, big mistake. He lied to you.
I see that now. Let's move on. Pizza is safe.
Pizza is on the list. Put them straight.
Yes, ma'am. These sausages look amazing.
Not on the list.
But they smell good.
Mom is watching.
What? She is here?
No, but she can know.
Okay, no sausages. Rotisserie chicken? Beautiful. Oh, it smells so good.
I will ask Mom.
Okay, sounds good.
She said yes.
Approved chicken! I am the best husband.
Maybe.
Free samples?
Let's see.
Vocal humming.
Just a tiny bite. What is that? Very mild. I can handle it.
Melody slightly develops.
This will be funny.
Vocal texture remains soft and very.
My mouth is on fire! Strong flavor. Water! I need water!
That was brave.
The piano pads very calm.
Not my problem.
Gentle humming returns.
Power tools?
Dad,
Look at this drill!
there is a star on the tag.
Piano
Clearance price.
fades out.
Cheaper.
I like clearance. I want something too.
This cake is huge.
We need a deal.
What deal? I can carry both.
Think carefully. Secret deal?
Secret deal. This and this
Okay.
and this.
It is adding up.
389?
We are dead.
What do you mean?
It's all gone wrong.
Should I swipe?
You have to.
Ice cream?
One small one. Goodbye, money.
Hello, ice cream.
Let's go
The
home.
guitar and
Be
LA
brave,
pads
Dad.
flow slowly.
You are back.
We bought everything.
Glory.
A drill?
Piano fades out gently.
And this cake? You posted this online.
What? I can explain.
Maybe not.
We are sorry.
I know. We will share the cake. And tomorrow, garage shelf.
Yes, boss.